Hey guys, this is Vagabond Spray Mention Sunny. Nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint planets I usually do. This is just some examples. When I perform, I paint something like this and people actually buy my artwork with these planets. Very easy, and you'll have a proud looking planet. And simply you'll have more possibilities that people buy your artwork, right? Okay, let's get started. Just follow me. Okay, today I'm just gonna use simple colors. Okay, yellow, red, blue, like as usual, and purple, and orange is kind of new color for this tutorial series maybe, and black and white, of course. All right, and I'm gonna show three kinds of planets. So I've got three plates, and these two for the first one, black and white we did. Then this one is just smaller. Let's get something round, smaller one. Okay, maybe place like this, and use one paper for shooting star and scraper. That's all. Okay, right, let's start painting. Maybe like this. Alright, from the smallest one. Okay, spray red, purple at random, and black, and no white, only black. Use some texture. Okay, and light and shadow. Right, so next one. Yellow, orange, and red. Okay, but this time don't spray like cover all on it. Okay, let's leave a little bit in each color. Just my preference, my style. And white and some black. Give some texture. Maybe I wanna give some more black. Yeah, that's much better. So if you don't like texture, you can just go back and do it again. Okay, just this. And before we go ahead to this, I don't want to mess up the other planets, so let's cover them first. Over here, one over here, maybe some more. Shadows. Yeah, and this one blue, and making some curve. Okay. Oh, this is easier. And purple. And white overall. Take some texture, make it like cloud looking. It's not the earth though, but it looks like cloud. Okay. Can you see this? Light and shadow. Like this. Okay, so we're gonna have some like black hole. Okay, over here. Maybe like this. Then first, I don't know, white in the center, and some yellow around that. Orange, red, purple, and blue. Give some texture, just like we do for planet. Okay, like this. Overall, with black. Okay, then you can have kind of aura or something like that. Some kind of light around planets. So this is like a red color, right? Red based, red, purple, and blue based, like kind of orange. So add some red, and this one blue. Okay, but just slightly spray, don't spray too much. Okay, then gives shooting stars lots. Okay, lot of shooting stars. Alright, just like this. Then open them and then it's better to open from the smallest one to get people attracted. You know, as you go bigger, planet look better, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can just add some more light, super shining light. Okay, and this is use scraper like this, and use some stars, oh no, lights like this. And be careful of dropping paint. Okay, if you spray too much, you have to wipe it. Okay, just like this. So as this is really shining, we can add some more shining looking light. Okay, maybe one over here, one over here, one over here. This, and some more here and here. Because this has kind of perspective. This side is bigger, this side is kind of smaller, like far. So I'm making it like bigger than them. Alright, so this is only single light. Alright, this, make it bigger. So to make this light, should do from the other way, the other side. If you just have two lines, you just have two lines. But if you do from right side or left side, you have like this kind of V shaped light. Okay, so I did this way, right? Sorry. So maybe this way and a little bit bigger, I mean wider than other two, to make it perspective, right? Then we can just add some shooting stars. Maybe as this is kind of black hole, so shooting stars go into it, a black hole. Okay, something like this. Or we can add some more one here, or even somewhere on here. Play around with shooting stars. Alright, that's it. So I'm just spray clear to give a sign. Okay, this is world-class planet. Okay, so you don't need really follow, I mean copy this design I just showed. The three kinds of planet, so you can just use this for your artwork. Alright, that's all for today. Alright, how was it? There's nothing hard, right? No tips today. We've already done all the techniques here. And you don't need to follow this, okay? I just wanted to show some other variations of planet. So you can just pick one or some of these on your work, or change colors or whatever. You can just play with it. Well done guys, this is the last tutorial of this master course. If you don't know the other ones, check out for the first. I hope you learn step by step and become able to sell your work, because I think that's a proof that your work is a pro level, right? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe this channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming, and you can see the newest techniques or expression that I only show on live stream. If you subscribe this channel, you'll get notification and you won't miss it and don't miss it. Thanks again, and see you definitely in another video. Bye. Alright, how was it?